What's up, everybody? Here we are to unbox another package. So let's get into it. Okay, so I bought a lot of things this time from Speaking Shop, not that beautiful. Okay, sorry for what happened. This is average J from boxing. Okay, now let's put everything aside. And let's start with this little guy. Okay, so this is the RS3N maglev. So let's open it. Open this. It doesn't care if I rip the box. OMG. Okay, accessories doesn't count. So we have this. The cube. The cube. So let's. Here at that, boys. Okay. Have the matte finish. And feels very soft. It feels heavy, very heavy. So first turn. Super dry, sandy, super sandy. And blocky, but it feels great. Up to the next one. I bought this cute thing. So yeah. The next six thing is this bit stacks. For a surprise for somebody. Yeah. Oh. Okay. Satisfy. Okay. Okay. This is mine. And this is for somebody. Yes, this. Next thing. This. So okay, it's very simple. So next thing, this bad boy, the RS32, RS2M evolution. I think yeah, magnetic. Okay, so let's unbox it. Again. Oh, okay. Another stamp. Have like 3 of them. 3. Okay. Feels very not soft. Looks very cute. Ooh. Okay. First turn. Okay, feels super sandy. This needs some new throwback. Okay. Next. Okay. So let's open it. Oh. Okay. It's only that, bro. Okay. Never. This is my first FTO. Really nice. Okay. So this is my first FTO ever. Never had one. Don't know how to turn it, bro. Okay, let's scramble it. Okay, next. And into the bad boy. Okay, next thing is this tiny little guy. Open it. Okay, I hate pyramids, by the way. This feels. Oh, it's magnetic guy. Wow. It's magnetic, bro.